In this video we will illustrate the new multi-pocket feature for square and rectangular pocketing in KipwareM. This feature has been available for round pockets as well as OD and ID helical milling, and we have just completed adding it to the square and rectangular pocketing menu. In this video we want to create a grid pattern to machine the pockets. First, we will open the square rectangular pocket menu and complete the information to define the pocket machining. Length and width of the pocket as well as depth of cut, corner radius, and cutting parameters. Next we will open the Hole Locations menu. This menu allows the user to define the X and Y coordinates manually, or use the auto menus and let KipwareM create the X and Y locations automatically for bolt circle pattern, grid pattern, or holes on an angle type pattern. Users can also import a DXF file through which every point in the DXF will be transferred as an XY hole location. We will define our grid pattern. When completed, select the Create Close option. We have now defined our pocket shape and hole locations. We can click Create Program to create the G-code. Let's plot and see the result. Let's open up the menu again, very easy to do, and change the corner radius. When we select Create Program, the existing cycle will be updated and the new G-code created. Let's plot and see the new result. These multi-location menus are very powerful and make it super easy to create pockets and bosses in multiple locations with a minimum of user inputs.